Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best dwarf avocado tree is probably one of the most rewarding additions to any home garden, especially for those with limited space, offering the unique possibility of harvesting your own creamy, delicious avocados right from your patio or balcony. These compact trees are specifically bred to thrive in containers and smaller yards, bringing the exotic taste of fresh avocados within reach without the need for a sprawling orchard, making them an ideal choice for urban dwellers and gardening enthusiasts alike who dream of homegrown produce. Number 5. Avergo Bonsai Tree Kit for Beginners. Discover the art of bonsai with our beginner-friendly kit. It includes everything you need to cultivate unique Japanese bonsai trees right at home. This all-in-one package provides all the essential tools and planters. You'll have everything necessary to start growing your miniature trees from scratch. Explore different species with our selection of popular bonsai seeds. Grow crepe myrtle, flame tree, blue jacaranda, and more. We've included extra seed packets to ensure your success. Even if some don't sprout, you'll have more chances to grow your perfect tree. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fun and rewarding activity for anyone. Whether you're new to bonsai or an experienced enthusiast, this kit offers an enjoyable gardening experience. It's a great way to connect with nature. What we like? This kit provides everything you need to start your bonsai journey. With extra seeds included, you have a higher chance of success. If you are looking for a fun and engaging indoor gardening project, this is a great choice. What people say. This product also has a great step-by-step instruction book that makes planting everything super easy and easy to follow. The kit includes everything you need to start: seeds for 5 bonsai varieties, biodegradable pots, soil pellets, tools, wooden box, and markers. Product is as advertised, all the seeds have finally germinated. Number 4. Grafted Mexicola Avocado Tree 5-gallon. Dreaming of fresh avocados? Now you can grow your own delicious fruit right at home. This grafted tree is ready to thrive in your garden. Introducing the Mexicola variety, known for its rich flavor and smooth texture. It's a fantastic choice for any avocado enthusiast. This Persea americana is a healthy, grafted tree, ensuring strong growth and early fruit production. It comes in a convenient 5-gallon pot, making planting a breeze. Even if you're new to gardening, this avocado tree is surprisingly easy to care for. With a little sun and water, you'll be enjoying homegrown avocados in no time. Imagine the taste of perfectly ripe, homegrown avocados. This tree will provide you with that incredible freshness and flavor, season after season. Start building your own backyard orchard today. This grafted avocado tree is the perfect addition for anyone looking to enjoy the rewards of homegrown fruit. What we like? This is a grafted Mexicola avocado tree, known for its cold hardiness. It comes in a 5-gallon pot, offering a head start for fruit production. If you are looking for a reliable avocado variety that can withstand cooler temperatures, this one is for you. What people say. The tree looked a little raggedy when it first came, but seemed to recover quickly and steadily. It is now a beautiful lush little tree. Fast delivery, tall as promised. Looks great. I was very pleased with my avocado tree. It was well packed and arrived healthy. Number 3. Bacon Avocado Grafted Tree. Introducing the Bacon Avocado Grafted Tree, a premium fruit-bearing plant. This tree is approximately 1 foot tall, ready to be planted in your garden. It arrives healthy and ready to thrive, carefully shipped in a protective plastic bag. Get ready to enjoy fresh avocados from your own tree. Planting this grafted tree is straightforward. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and establish in its new home. Cultivate your own delicious bacon avocados. This variety is known for its rich flavor and smooth texture. Begin your home orchard with this high-quality grafted tree. It's a wonderful addition for any fruit-growing enthusiast. What we like? This grafted bacon avocado tree is a compact option, perfect for smaller spaces. It's known for its early fruiting and good flavor. If you are a beginner avocado grower or have limited space, this tree is an excellent starting point. What people say. This tree came in healthy looking and over a foot tall. Months later it is growing new leaves and healthy. Young tree delivered in excellent shape. It's beautiful and healthy. It came today and it was very well packaged and it was very much alive and well. Number 2. Stewart Avocado Grafted Tree. Introducing the Stewart Avocado Grafted Tree, a premium choice for your garden. This tree is approximately 1 foot tall, ready for planting. It arrives healthy and carefully packaged in a plastic bag to ensure its protection during transit. Get ready to enjoy fresh avocados from your own tree. Planting this grafted tree is straightforward, making it suitable for both experienced gardeners and beginners. Its compact size allows for easy handling and placement. This tree is grafted, ensuring you receive a high-quality fruit-bearing specimen. You can expect excellent flavor and reliable production. We take great care in shipping this tree to you. It's protected in a plastic bag to maintain moisture and health until it reaches your doorstep. Begin your journey to homegrown avocados with this Stewart variety. It's a fantastic addition to any home orchard or even a large patio container. What we like. The Stewart avocado is prized for its rich, creamy fruit. This grafted tree offers a good chance of producing high-quality avocados. If you prioritize excellent fruit flavor and texture, this variety is a superb choice for your home orchard. What people say. It was about 2 feet tall and very healthy looking. The tree came a week early and it was very good packed. I was not expecting 3 feet and almost 4 because descriptions say 1 foot only. It looks fine and happy. Number 1. Lamb Hass Avocado Tree 5 gallon. Introducing the Hass Avocado Tree, a premium choice for your garden. This tree is professionally grafted for optimal growth and fruit production. Standing 2 to 3 feet tall, it arrives in a 5-gallon pot, ready for planting. Its healthy structure ensures a strong start for your avocado cultivation. Each tree is expertly grafted, a process that combines the best rootstock with desirable scion wood. This ensures you receive a high-quality, productive plant. Planting this tree is straightforward. Its established root system in the 5-gallon container makes transplanting simple and less stressful for the plant. Begin your journey to homegrown avocados with this exceptional tree. Enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own delicious Hass avocados. What we like. This is a professionally grafted Hass avocado tree, the most popular variety worldwide. It comes in a 5-gallon pot, ready for planting and future fruit. If you want to grow the classic, creamy Hass avocado that is widely loved, this tree is your best bet. What people say. The tree is a dwarf variety, making it suitable for container growing or small spaces. It produces fruit within 3 to 4 years of planting, which is relatively quick for an avocado tree. The tree is known for its prolific fruiting, with many customers reporting a good harvest. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.